Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the Thailand Elite Visa and specifically the fact that it's sort of being phased out. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post, that's bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, Elite Card Price to be Increased by 50%. Quoting directly, the four new types of card will also remove the word elite from their title, which has been used since the scheme's establishment under the Thaksin Shinawatra government in 2003. So, as they go on in this article, and I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article in detail for further information. But as they go on in the article, they point out the fact that, yeah, Thailand Elite is no longer calling itself Thailand Elite. It's going to be the Privilege Card or the Thailand Privilege Card, the Thailand Privilege Visa. So they're changing that. So we're not going to call it Thailand Elite anymore. But the other thing to take note of is, yes, the prices are going up substantially. I've made other videos on this channel noting that. But yeah, the Thailand Elite has been an interesting thing to watch. I've watched it ever since roughly about 2009, somewhere in there, when it really hit a low nadir, if you will, and it almost went away. I remember when they almost scrapped the entire program and they almost just got rid of it. Then it came back, or it sort of sat in limbo for a while. Then it came back. It came back in roughly its present form, where it was not an infinite visa. In its inception, it was a forever visa. It never really ended. It was also kind of an ongoing multi-entry visa. As I recall, it only granted 90 days of status at a stretch. So I think it required either border runs or dealing with extension in country. Then they brought in the new system, which again are in sort of 5-year blocks. It's 5, 10, 15, 20-year increments. And again, as noted in other videos made contemporaneously with this one, the new system has been much more streamlined. There were like nearly a dozen different programs before. They're sort of streamlining it down. It looks like it's basically just 4 programs. Again, we discussed those in another video contemporaneously made with this one. So go ahead and go to the search function on this channel, check out Elite Visa, or go over to our resources section at legal.co.th. Type in Thailand Elite Visa, you'll find a ton of information on there about Thailand Elite and sort of the history of this. But yeah, so it's interesting. It's no longer going to be called the Elite Visa. It looks like it's going to be called a Privilege Visa moving forward.